In a sunlit alley, a lone inventor stacks tiny modules that click into a pocket tool capable of shaping sound. When he flicks a switch, coins become chimes, bottle caps sing, and footsteps become a rhythmic sample bench. Neighbors gather as the tool composes a living jingle that guides them to a hidden mural under neon rain. Each module locks with a satisfying click, revealing new tones and a map drawn from sound to space. By twilight, the pocket instrument teaches the block to listen, transforming trashy echoes into shared wonder.